If your Coleman Mach air conditioner is acting up, this quick reset guide will help. Step 1. Turn off the thermostat and the room's power. Locate the Mach unit's breaker and flip it off for 30 seconds. While power is off, open the access panel and inspect the filter. If the filter is dirty, remove and clean or replace it per the manual. Close the panel, restore breaker power, then switch the AC back on. If the unit doesn't restart, perform a control panel reset. Check the LED indicators and note any blinking codes for diagnostics. Safety tip: always wear gloves and avoid wet hands near electrical parts. Common fixes include cleaning coils, clearing debris, and checking wiring connections. If problems persist, note the model and error codes, then contact certified service. That's the reset and troubleshooting checklist for Coleman Mach. Consult your manual or a technician for further help.